Alright, I guess I could give you a tour of the ICL since I haven't done that yet. So, loading ramp, loading bay, where we load and unload stuff. Lots of shovels. Alright, yeah, this is just kind of staging area. Also kind of a staging area, workshop area. A lot of tools, garbage we need to get out of here. Little electronics lab, debugging stuff. One of the DOMs that we show people. And then upstairs is the server room where all the data comes in. Lots of fire doors. A little bedroom in case you get stranded, although I don't think anyone's ever actually used this. Control room. Even though most controls can be done remotely from station, if you're out here, you can do that. ESD jacket required. South Pole, it's dry. Everything builds up static. You get shocked every time you touch metal. You get used to it. All right. Server room. So, all the servers, each one of these black boxes is one string worth of DOMs. We have 86 DOMs per string. All right. So there's string 63 and its hub 63. So lots of these in here. Basically this whole row is racks full of servers. Alright. And then on the other side is the mass of cables. Lots of cables. And so those all get plugged into the back of the hubs. See if I can find one that's easy to see. Alright, and that's where we get our data. And then patch panel where the cables get broken out before they actually go to the hubs. Little workbench, spare hub that we keep around for debugging if we need to do some tests on the memory DIMMs or check a hard drive or whatever. That's kind of our debug hub. And then yeah, more cables, patch panel stuff. Some power supplies for our surface array prototype station. White rabbit switch for distributing GPS precision timing out to our surface array. Fiber patch panel, some other jazz, blah 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 stuff. More hubs. And then over here is the main processing and data acquisition, like event builder side of things. So a bunch of Dell servers that take basically all the data coming from the hubs, comes over into here, into our, there it is, into trigger and EV builder, event builder, which you can't really see. That basically time sorts all the data coming from all the hubs, builds events, packages it up into a nice little event bundle, then gives it to our PNF servers, which is processing and filtering, and PNF does reconstructions on the on the event to try to figure out if there's a track and how good of quality the track is, and whether or not the event is worthy to save and send north on the satellite. Because we can only send 100 gigabytes of data per day on the satellite, and we take 1 terabyte a day of data. So we have to select out basically 10% of the most interesting events and send them north. So that's what all that stuff does. Yeah. So that's ICL.